Today, Elia is making fried tilapia. It's a very fancy dish, a fancy fish. She's breaded it with flour, and now she's going to cook it, bake it. Does this go into the oven, or is it just fried?
Just
Fried. And this is the fresh tilapia fish. It then is bathed in this flour solution, and then it is placed in the frying pan. Smells good. Sí.
Y así nos hemos